Hey guys, it's Peggy from Precision Scalp, and I am here to leave a well-deserved review for Team Micro Google Ad Management. I have been using them for about 2.5 months, and business has definitely had a major uptick. I've had a lot of calls, a lot of bookings, and it's really been a great experience. I would also like to say just a word to the wise about picking someone to do your ads. I think it's really important that you have someone in your industry that understands what you do, who needs it, and where they are. And Team Micro has been around for a while, and they've been really successful at that. So I just want to put a shout out and say, I wish I would have done this sooner, and don't procrastinate. It's up to you how you want to grow, and Google Ads are a really good option. Thank you.